Okay, so today in science we're going to continue talking about circuits, right? So what do we remember from Friday about circuits? You can tell me, Andrew.
I remember that an open one is where the energy cannot flow, and then a closed one is where the energy can flow.
Okay, who can describe to me some examples of electricity through a circuit? What did we talk about, Annie? Okay, what about some like common classroom items or household items that what do we do to them, Parker?
Like the whiteboard, it needs like a plugger to make it work.
Right. So you connect the plug, and it produces the energy. And if you unplug it, then what is that? An open or closed circuit?
Open.
Open circuit. When it's plugged in, it's a closed circuit. Yes, Riley.
Light and a light switch.
Light and a light switch. Camila.
A pencil sharpener.
The electric pencil sharpener. So who can share with me what some conductors are? What are some conductors in the circuits, Toby? Finish your snack. Metal. Any metal objects or just metal? All metal. So who can give me some examples?
Iron.
Camila.
Copper.
Copper. Riley.
Iron.
Iron. Annie. My ring. Andrew.
Aluminum.
Aluminum. So like foil. What else? Daniel. Steel. Okay, so those are conductors. What's an insulator? Ainsley? What is an insulator? What's an example of an insulator?
An example of one is like paper.
Okay. Elise?
Our desk.
Your desk. So what is it? Anything that's metal? Is it metal? Something metal an insulator? Camila? Right, it slows down the flow of energy. Toby?
We're insulators.
We're insulators. Okay, so we're going to move into our activity for today, so we have plenty of time to practice. Put it away, Riley. So we remember these from last week, right? So you're going to have your batteries and your wires. You have your buzzers are in here, your lights, you have rubber bands, cotton balls, foil. You have plenty of different conductors and insulators. So we're going to play with different items and document and discuss with your group the different items. And if you have anything at your desk or in your desk that you want to try to see if it's a conductor or insulator, you can do that also. So that's what half of y'all are going to be doing. The other half is going to be exploring with our snap circuits that we looked at last week. And then we'll split the time up and then we'll rotate. So if you start at snap circuits, then you'll move to your boxes. If you're at boxes, then you'll go to snap circuits. Yes?
We technically are not insulator because water is a conductor of electricity. Unless the energy flow, we are just about 99% water, which is why you can get very injured or die of a shock.
Right, and we'll think about what the energy balls that we did. I remember on our first day when we were introducing it, when we held the energy ball and we touched it, and then me and Riley touched it, and then we all held hands, and we made a complete circuit, right? And we heard the buzz. Remember that little spooky sound that was like?
We made a closed circuit.
We made a closed circuit. All right, so this is Miss Epperly. Yes, I do. All right, sounds good. Bye. You're not in trouble. You told me to make sure you do. He just needs to talk to you, I guess. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna number you off. Julie, you're gonna be number 3 when you come back. Hang on. I need to number y'all 6. She's still 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 3. All right. So if you are an even number, you're going to be at the boxes. So find your group and grab a box. If you're an odd number, you're going to start at the circuits. Okay? So I'm going to give y'all like a minute or 2 to get situated and set up. And then I'm going to come by and we're going to explore. They're back there on the laptop. Even odd. Guys, who's number 6? Oh, you are too? Is it just y'all 2? It's probably only y'all 2. Isaac and y'all are at the boxes. Grab your box. You know what you did? What? Yeah. It'll be okay. Yes, sir.
There are no instructions. How do we do this thing?
There's a box next to the instructions. Hang on. Really check the other one. What? Here, y'all missing the instructions? Alright, y'all try to do a different circuit that y'all built, a different circuit than what y'all built last time. Okay, so from our groups and with our boxes and our snap circuits, what are some things that we discovered when playing with circuits? Mr. Blockhouse.
That when I batteries, obviously it makes them louder because there's 2 electric circuits going.
That's what was making my ears ring, was your loud buzzer. I heard it. It was cool, wasn't it? Did y'all hear what he said when he added the 2 batteries? Why do we think the 2 batteries made it louder? Shep?
Because you have more power.
More power. The circuit's stronger. How about you, Andrew? What did you notice?
So I tested my theory. I had a theory that the 2 lights we had, since they were broken, we decided to use them as conductors to see if it helped make the buzzer work, and it worked. It was just a bit quieter than normal, and I think that's because it was using the light slided up a bit, which is I think it was quieter because it had some energy that was going up to the light instead.
Okay. So it had only a little with only 1 battery, so it had just like a small amount of energy, but it was trying to power 2 different things. Has anyone ever experienced like when you're at your house and it's like you have so many lights turned on or something, or too many things put into the outlet and your lights kind of flicker? Yes. My house is super old, like it's like at least 60, 70 years old. And so I cannot have my lights on full force, and I cannot have the strong light bulbs in my light bulbs, or they just sit there and flicker. Because the circuits were made so long ago that they're not powerful enough to have to source the energy that is needed with these new light bulbs and everything else. It is like a haunted house. Not haunted, but yes. Yeah. We're gonna have to play and see. I wonder why that happened. All right, anybody have any questions about the circuits? Here we go. All right, so tomorrow we're going to continue. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, tomorrow we start talking about electromagnetism. It's circuits, so with magnetism in it. All right. So to be determined.